Okay, here's another item I'm listing on my YouTube site. I'm going to be listing more toys. You can also go to Pro Tinker on eBay and buy this. Okay, this is called the Hot Wheel Stunt Bridge Kit. This thing's got 70 pieces of a car with Mattel Legos. Okay, and it's a huge bridge system that you build and all that, and then you run cars over them. It's pretty sweet. Here, let me turn it over here so you can see it here. You know, it has a motorized to pull lever, then the cars shoot over the bridge. You can crash into stuff, build this huge big bridge. It's pretty sweet, okay? And then you can add it. So this is what the bridge looks like when it's all constructed. Let me show you what's in it. It's pretty sweet. You get a lot of stuff for the price, okay? My price is $45. You get all of the bridges, you get all the plastic stuff, a ton of track, plus I'm throwing in 5 free cars, okay? So for $45 and $9 shipping, you're getting everything here, okay? All right, everything. You're getting all of the components, the bridge unit, plus it comes up with these cardboard things that you can cut out, okay? It's pretty sweet, okay? This is the Mattel Hot Wheels Stunt Bridge Kit, DWW97. It retails about $59. Plus, I'm giving you 5 free cars, $45 in shipping, total of $54. You can pay for it through PayPal. Just go to PayPal and say, hey, I want the Stunt Bridge Set 99 DWW997 and pay it that way. Or you can go onto my eBay site and buy it on Pro Tinker. So let me close this up here. This is pretty sweet. This is the Hot Wheel bridge set, okay? And it comes with everything. Get 2 of them and you got a huge set. Okay, this is sweet. You need to get one of these for Christmas. And I have limited quantities of them. Well, I don't have limited. I have 100 of them. So if you get one, might get one for Christmas. I'd do it now. Okay, don't forget, it is the Hot Wheel Stunt Bridge Set. Here's the information. Okay, go to PayPal. I'm going to put it in the descriptions too, all this. Okay, bye.